50 Basic English Phrasal Verbs and their use in sentences. Mastering phrasal verbs is essential for sounding natural in English conversations. These small yet powerful word combinations can completely change the meaning of a sentence. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, understanding how to use these phrasal verbs in context is key. Let's dive into 50 basic phrasal verbs and see how they function in real-life sentences. Bring up. She brought up an interesting topic during the meeting. Call off. They had to call off the event due to bad weather. Carry on despite the noise. He carried on with his work. Come across. I came across an old photo album in the attic. Drop off. Can you drop me off at the airport? Find out. I just found out the truth about the situation. Get along. They get along really well with each other. Give up. Never give up on your dreams. Go over. Let's go over the report before the presentation. Hold on. I'll be with you in a moment. Keep up. She runs so fast. I can't keep up with her. Look after. She looks after her younger siblings. Make up. They had an argument, but made up later. Pass out. He passed out from exhaustion. Put off. They put off the meeting until next week. Run into. I ran into an old friend at the mall. Set up. They set up a new business together. Take off. The plane took off at exactly p.m. Turn down. She turned down the job offer. Work out. I work out at the gym every morning. Bring in. The company brought in new policies. Check out. You should check out that new restaurant. Cut off. The storm cut off electricity in the area. Do over. You need to do the assignment over. Fall apart. Their friendship fell apart over time. Get back. I'll get back to you soon. Hang up. He hung up the phone abruptly. Join in. Why don't you join in the discussion? Knock out. The medicine knocked me out. Let down. Don't let me down this time. Move on. It's time to move on from the past. Pick up. She picked up a new hobby. Put up with. I can't put up with his behavior anymore. Run out. We ran out of milk. Settle down. They decided to settle down in the countryside. Show off. He always shows off his new gadgets. Take in. The teacher took in new students. Turn up. He turned up late for the meeting. Watch out for cars when crossing the road. Break down. The car broke down on the highway. Call back. I'll call you back later. Come up with. He came up with a brilliant idea. Figure out. I can't figure out this math problem. Give in. She finally gave in to the pressure. Hand out. The teacher handed out the assignments. Look forward to. I'm looking forward to the weekend. Pass away. His grandfather passed away last year. Put on. She put on her coat before leaving. Stand out. His creativity makes him stand out. Take over. The new manager took over the project. Stay tuned for the next lesson.